Hello everyone, my name is Jess Frank and I'm coming to you today from the beautiful Boca Dunes Golf and Country Club in sunny Boca Raton, Florida at the Jess Frank Golf Academy. And today what I'd like to speak to you about is swing playing and how golf is more of a side-on game compared to a straight line game. Now straight line games, here you have me, I have a target line set up right here. Straight line games are more like throwing darts, shooting pool, or shooting a basket. Compared to a side-on game, which golf is a side-on game, which means that the club is that you stand to the side of the target line and that the club will swing around your body and around the target line here. It does not swing up and down. What I see is that most golfers swing over the top of the swing plane or get too steep, and so they hit into the back of the ball and the ball can pop up in the air or go to the right and develop a bad slice or a bad hook. And so what I have is a terrific drill that's going to kind of be similar to a baseball swing or a tennis motion where you swing from the side on. And that's a very powerful swing and not something that's going to swing straight up and down. And so what I have today is the baseball swing where I started out about chest height. We're going to swing the club back and through. And you can see is when I do this, that the club barely touches the target line and then it will swing back around my body. So it swings back and around, out and back and around. And this allows for the club to square up and come into the ball nice and square with a solid shot. And so what I do here is I lower it a little bit more, swing it around, and I lower it a little bit more, swing it around. And again, this is terrific for somebody who comes in too steep and who tops the ball or who hits into the back of the ball with the toe. And so finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the club on the ground here and I'm going to try to duplicate that same motion on a side-on swing here. And when I do that, I'm going to hit a really solid high golf shot. I'm going to use the club correctly. I'm going to hit the ball in the center of the club face and we're going to produce a little bit of a right to left draw. So if you have any more questions about how to swing the club on the proper swing plane, please call me at the Jess Frank Golf Academy at 561-213-8579 or visit my website at jessfrankgolf.com.